Okay, we just let you know what it's all about here. So the panels is on the roof. Now we have 14 panels and it becomes in two sets, or we call two strings. The first string on the left up there and the right string is the second string. And the two string come up here, come to this, to this combiner box, okay? And the combiner box will come to this terminal, and the terminal will go one string and one string here. And the string here is the breaker fuses to bridge, if any electric short circuit, then all these people will stop. And the red one is called surge protective device. Surge protective devices help, in case of any lightning or any high voltage thing. This will block the whole thing in order to protect the inverter. Okay, and when it's come to this box as a bridge through this, and then it will go to this one string, this first string, second string, and it goes to the inverter. And the inverter here, you have the screen, but you can also work on the apps. Yes, you can work on the apps, and all the DC power will be converted or be inverted. That's what we call inverter. Will be inverted to the AC current. From here, DC current, and then it comes here. It becomes a DC current, AC current. And AC current, there are two types here. One is the grid. This one, I think this one is the grid. This one will go and connect it or join with the AC AC current with the PA grid. Okay, and this one is called load or backup. This one will be the backup. Okay, will come here. So you have actually in this hybrid inverter, you have two sources of power. One is the grid, which will connect it with PA, and the other one is backup, will stand there and support the whole system. Okay, and then this is the battery, and this is the communication to the battery. So you have the battery here, positive and negative here, and the battery here is 300 amps, and it is state of charge 300 amps is 97%, which is like the highest part. Okay, the battery will support as a backup or as a self-consumption mode. Okay, and then once you have the two power here, it will come here to this before it goes to this unit. Okay, and this unit you will have this is a PA grid, the black one here, PA grid, and then PA grid here will go together with the inverter grid here together. It will connect together here, and it goes to the source of power on the left. This thing is called ATS or automatic transfer switch. So you have two sources of power. In a normal situation, you will use the on grid that connected with the PA grid together, and in the daytime when the sun is shining, the solar power will produce and connect to this. Okay, and the other source, this one is the backup grid here, and the backup and the PA grid and the inverter grid will come to this, and then it will come here. This is the main, which will go to this one. Okay, we'll go to consumer unit. The consumer unit will have the MCB 63 amps,